Hello everyone, I am Laurence Lapiceros, leader of Group 4.
Hello, I am Rich Cassandra Elambalan, member of Group 4.
Hello, I am Shane Magparo, member of Group 4.
Hello, I am Kyle Sugay, member of Group 4.
Hello, I am Micaela Maysayaw, member of Group 4.
This video, we will be showing you how Microscope works with the use of improvised materials.
These are the materials we need for this observation: clean sheet of paper, camera stand, phone, random object, and 2 magnifying glasses.
In assembling our microscope, here is how it is assembled. We use camera stand as the microscope base, 2 magnifying glasses as the lenses, paper as the surface, and lastly, the item as our subject reference.
Now that the microscope has set up, let's observe on how this works to our reference. Take a look and see.
When one magnifying glass is used, we can see that the zoom is normal and the visual can be seen clearly. But when 2 magnifying glasses is used, the zoom went more closer and the visual became blurry.
To sum up the observation of our improvised microscope, when one lens is used, the zoom is normal as we saw from the clip. But when we use 2 lenses, the zoom went closer and slowly gets blurry. And that can also happen when lenses are kept adding like multiple lenses. The vision became more blurry and the zoom more closer. And about the microscope, what we can improve to our model build is to make the base made out of cardboard or recycled materials to shape it into actual look of microscope, and the rest of the materials can be the handling of the microscope.